Most people use Windows or macOS on their computers. These operating systems are everywhere, at home, in offices, and schools. They're familiar, user-friendly, and come pre-installed on most laptops and desktops you see in stores. But the internet you use every day, the websites you visit, the apps you rely on, the videos you binge-watch late at night, it mostly runs on Linux. Big, bold text. Linux runs the internet. Let's break down why Linux is the hidden engine behind almost everything you do online. It's not just a niche system for techies, it's the backbone of the digital world. Section 1. Servers. Think of every website you visit, every video you stream, every message you send. All of these digital experiences are powered by computers, called servers, working tirelessly in the background. Behind the scenes there's a powerful computer called a server, making it all happen. These servers are the unsung heroes, handling millions of requests every second 24/7. And here's the secret, most of those servers run on Linux. In fact, over 90% of the world's top servers rely on Linux to keep things running smoothly. Why? Because Linux is stable, secure, and insanely efficient. It's trusted by system administrators and engineers everywhere. It hardly ever crashes and it doesn't waste resources. That means websites stay online, videos don't buffer, and your messages get delivered instantly. On-screen, text. Servers run Linux. Section 2. Open source. Now, here's something cool. Linux is open source. That means it's not owned by any one company or locked behind a paywall. That means anyone can look at the code. So ein den mods. So ein bar. Ein den Dienst. So on. So done. So die to make it darn den make it their own. Developers from all over the world contribute to making Linux better, safer, and more powerful. So if you're a company building a huge social network or a streaming service, you can tweak Linux to fit your exact needs. You can customize it for speed, security, or special features, whatever your business demands. No expensive licenses, no waiting for updates, just pure flexibility. This freedom to innovate is a huge reason why tech giants love Linux. On-screen text. Shoptaran and Chunwan Chiwana. Open source. Shoptaran and Manerstan. Flexibility. Section 3. Stability and performance. Here's where Linux really shines. It's famous for its reliability and performance, even under heavy loads. It can run for months, even years, without needing to restart. Some servers have been up and running for over a decade without a single reboot. That kind of uptime is legendary in the tech world. It means less downtime, fewer interruptions, and a smoother experience for everyone online. And because Linux is lightweight, it does all this without gobbling up resources. It's designed to be efficient, so servers can handle more traffic with less hardware, more power, less waste. That's good for business, and for the planet. On-screen text, stable and lightweight. Section 4, big companies. You might be wondering, who actually uses Linux? Is it just for startups or tech geeks? The answer is, almost everyone in big tech. From the world's largest search engines to your favorite streaming platforms, Linux is everywhere. Google, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, their servers? Yep, Linux. Even the infrastructure behind your email, your cloud storage, and your online shopping runs on Linux. Same goes for cloud services, data centers, and almost every major infrastructure you can imagine. If it's big, fast, and always online, chances are, Linux is behind it. On-screen text. Big tech uses Linux. Conclusion. So, you may not use Linux on your laptop, you might not even notice it's there, but every time you visit a website, stream a video, or use the cloud, you are probably using a Linux server. It's the invisible force that keeps your digital life running smoothly. Linux keeps the internet running, quietly, efficiently, and reliably. It's the silent partner in your online world, working behind the scenes so you don't have to think about it. End screen. Follow Digital Jack of all trades for AI, Linux, and cybersecurity insights.